Good morning, mathematicians. Today we're doing 9.3, name place values. Young mathematicians tell the value of a digit by where it's placed in a number. Before we begin, let's do a little mental math. 38 minus 19. Try and do this in your head. Okay. Well, the strategy I like to do is the compensation method. In the compensation method, in subtraction, we like to make the minuend a number that has 0 at the end. So I know to do that, I just need to add 1. And because I added 1 on that side, in subtraction, I have to add 1 on this side. So now instead, I have 39 minus 20. And 39 minus 20 equals 19. Another way I could have solved this was by using an open number line in my head. I'm going to start with my lowest number, 19, and in my head, I'm going to count up to 38. So I could count plus 1 gives me 20. And then from 20, I could count another 10 to bring me to 30. And then I need another 8 to bring me to 38. So in my head, I have 10 plus 8 plus 1, which equals 19. Another strategy a lot of you like is using the break apart rule. And there are a few ways to do it. So in the break apart rule, I could do 10, I could do 10, and then I have 8 plus 1. I know I'm going to have the number 8 because I'm going to need that to get rid of the 8 there. So watch. I have 38, take away 10, equals 28. Then I have 28, take away 8, equals 20. And then 20, take away 1, equals 19. No matter which way you use, which strategy you use, you should come to the answer 19. Please check your math homework from yesterday, 9.2. Most of you submitted it. Thank you. Okay. If you had any trouble with the homework, please send me a message and I'll be sure to get back to you and help you. Okay, today please turn to page 523 in your math topic number 9 workbook. Jake says the 3 in 738 has a value of 3. He shows this with 3 ones block. Do you agree with Jake? Explain. Use the chart to help. I do not agree with Jake. I do not believe that the 3 has a value of 3. If I look at the number 738, I can put it in a place value chart. And it shows that the 3 is 3 tens, and 3 tens are 3 longs, and which means that it's 10, 20, 30. Therefore, the value is 30. The digit 3 is in the tens place. Therefore, it has a value of 30. Today we're going to continue to think about how a digit's value is based upon its place that it is located in. So let's look at another number. So how many hundreds flats are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 hundreds flats. How many 10 longs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go back. So what is this number? If there are 3 hundreds, flats, 300 in flats, 100, 200, 300. There are 5 longs, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. The place value chart tells us its value. This shows that it's 3 hundreds. This shows that there are 5 tens and 4 ones. The value of a digit depends upon where it is in the place value chart. So right now we have the digits 2, 5, and 9. If I put my digits in the place value chart, if I put 5 here, and 2 here, and 9 here, my number is 529. What is the value of the 5? If you said the value of the 5 is 500, you are correct. I could also say that it is 5 hundreds. Let me put the same digits in differently. Now I have 295. Each value is different. What is the value of the 5 now? The value of the 5 is 5 ones. Is 5 ones or just 5? Farah has 431 crayons. What is the value of each digit? On your paper, make a place value chart and write the number. So if we use the place value chart, we know that her number looks like this in the place value chart. So now for me to find out what the value for each digit is, I could draw my place value blocks. So I'm going to draw 4 hundreds, 3 ones, and 1 1. So I know the value of the 4 is 400 or 4 hundreds. The value of the 3 is 30 or 3 tens. The value of the 1 is 1 or 1 ones. Look at this number. What is the value of the 4 in this number? The value of the 4 in this number is 40. I know that it's 40 because it is in the tens place. That means there are 4 tens, and 4 tens equals 40. Look at the number 235. Write it in the place value chart. What is the value of the digit 2? The value of the digit 2 is 200. I know it's 200 because it is in the hundreds place. And it says that there are 2 hundreds. Write this number inside the place value chart. What is the value of the digit 9? Okay, so I'm going to write the number inside the chart. Here's 4, 1, and 9. The 9 is in the ones place. That means there are 9 ones or 9. Now it's time for independent practice. Complete page 525. Do all of the work on page 525. On page 526, you only need to complete 10 and 11. Of course, if you want to complete the work that I said you didn't have to, you can. Do all, and on this one, do 10 and 11. You can check your work for independent practice problems. Okay. Today you can do additional work. You can go on the Pearson's website and you could go to today's challenge, name place values, solve and share, name place value, visual learning if you wanted to watch the video. You can also do the enrichment worksheet. And you can do the problem-solving reading activity. In addition, there will be an exit slip attached to the assignment. Have a great day.